Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Donna, and on this channel we like to talk about luxury, fashion, style, and handbags. So if you're interested in all that good stuff, don't forget to subscribe below and hit that notification bell. So I'm so excited for this video today because we're going to be unboxing my very first Charlotte Olympia bag, and I just can't wait to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So for those of you who are not really familiar with Charlotte Olympia, it is a fairly new luxury brand. It was founded in 2008, I believe, in London by Charlotte Olympia herself. She's also the designer behind all of her creations. And what I love about this brand is that she is known for having a sense of humor behind all of her designs. As you will see in this video, most of her designs or her shoes and accessories are kind of fun and cheeky and playful. She is mostly known for her Perspex clutch collection. Perspex is like a lucite PVC type of material. So I've seen a whole bunch. They come in perfume bottles, tequila bottles, anything you can think of, you name it. She's designed a clutch in that shape. She's also known for her kitty collection. So she makes shoes with like kitty faces on them, heels, flats. And usually you can tell that it's a Charlotte Olympia piece because there's either a spider web somewhere on her design, for example, on the soles of her shoes for her footwear, or there's a kind of heart detail that I'll be able to show you after I unbox my purchase. So as for where I purchased my bag, I'm gonna be honest, it's Preloved. I purchased this bag from a Vancouver-based Preloved boutique, mine and yours, and guys, this boutique is amazing. They have a whole bunch of vintage designer pieces from clothes, shoes, handbags, sunglasses, you name it. The prices are fantastic. And free shipping to anywhere in the US and Canada if you spend over $100. For those of you in Canada, no duties, which is great. And for those of you in the States, well, since pricing is in Canadian dollars, that's like an extra 40% off because our currency is so bad right now. So let's get on to the exciting part. So I purchased this about 2 weeks ago, I believe. It came pretty quickly considering the pandemic going on. I think I received it about a week later. It came in this yellow envelope with their logo. I can show you for those of you interested. I'll link all their information in the description box below. And let's open my package. Oh, so cute. So it comes wrapped in tissue paper, like so, with a little thank you card and a handwritten note. Hi Donna, thank you for shopping with mine and yours. Take care. Adorable. So now let's open the package. There's nothing else. Oh my God, I love it. It is bigger than I thought, but that's perfect, which means more is going to fit. So it is like a translucent, hard, as you can hear, hard plasticky material. This is the heart detail I was talking to you about. So it's one of Charlotte Olympia's logos. It's a translucent, like glittery gold color. The bottle stopper magnetic closure is a little bit lighter, which I love. As you can see, there's like engraved ridges to add depth and make it look more like a perfume bottle. This is the width. It's all gold hardware. I'm trying to figure out how to open it, but it's not that easy. Oh, it's simpler than I thought. So basically, it's a magnetic closure, so all you do is pull the sides open, and it's both sides are held together by this chain. As for the condition, it is in honestly great condition. It's excellent pre-loved condition, barely used. It also comes with the tag. And as you can see, this bag was selling in stores for this is in Canadian pricing, $1,095. But I purchased it for $395, plus I had a discount code, so it came to like $386, taxes included, which is phenomenal for this type of bag. As you can see, the only place we do see the Charlotte Olympia name is inside. I'm gonna try showing this to you. I don't know if it's gonna capture very well. I don't know if you see that, but inside the bag, it says Charlotte Olympia. And it is kind of translucent. I just want to try if, for example, I put my Mont Blanc card holder inside, it would fit. I just wanted to see if you can see it through the bag. You can kind of see a little shadow. I don't know if you, I can't tell if you can see that in the camera, but honestly, really, it's kind of hard to tell what's inside. I love it, it's perfect. I can't wait to style this and to pair it with all my outfits I have in mind. So I did do a little research on this bag before purchasing it, before jumping the gun and buying it. It did come out in 2013, and it came out as part of her collection of, I think there were 3 or 4 other perfume bottles in this range. As for the dimensions, I did do a little research before purchasing. The bag is 4.4 inches in width, 8.90 inches or 8.9 inches in length, and the depth, so like the chunkiness, I guess, is 1.5 inches, which is perfect. I mean, you can't fill a huge amount of stuff, but your necessities do fit. I would be able to fit a card holder, maybe a little bit slimmer than the one I did put in this one, my phone, and let's say a lip gloss, and I'm good to go. What do you guys think of this bag? I'd love to hear all your thoughts about it. If you're interested in mine and yours, their link and all their information will be in the description box. So if you enjoyed, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!